Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to part 2 of how to make a box server with Minehut. So I just created this Mining Mines community server. Now we're just going to be showing you how to stream mode enabled. Alright, yeah. So basically we're going to enable the community on community server. So let's click get started. You're going to check both of those. Both create one for me. Do that. And then click every one of those. Click finish setup. And boom, it's there. And as you can see, there is a moderator only and a rules channel. Now, on the moderator only, you can see the community updates verified bot system says this channel has been set up to receive official Discord announcement for admins and moderators of community servers. We'll let you know about important updates such as new moderation features or change to your server's eligibility for server discovery. Here, you can change what channel these messages are sent to at any time inside server settings. We recommend choosing your staff channel as some information may be sensitive to your server. Thanks for choosing Discord as the place to build your community. So, you can see there's just this random text channels and voice channels categories. I'm going to delete the voice channels one and delete the voice channel as well. Oops. Delete the voice channel as well. Now we're going to be making a new category. Click create category. We're going to be naming this important. Click create category. Drag this to the top or drag these in here, like the rules. Keep current permission, rules, and a moderator only. Drag it in here as well. Now right click this important category, click on edit category, click permissions, and do we're gonna go on it pretty quickly. Go on server settings, go on roles, click default permissions, and click uncheck view channels. Click save changes. Click escape. And now, as soon as someone has the add everyone role and is not the owner, I can view the channel. I think I can view the channel as this role. No, okay, I can. Well, anyway, we're gonna make our first role. So the first role is gonna be the member role. So we're just gonna name this. Oh, we're gonna name this owner for now. Owner. You can choose a color. I'm gonna make it red. Check both of those because like this one basically makes it so that on the tab list right here, which I'm gonna show you, it will display separately from online members, as you can see. So usually it will say like online and then a whole list, and if this is unchecked, you will be in the middle of it and you will just have a red name, which is not what you want. Instead, you want to be above them and have like an owner section and allow anyone to mention this role. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Basically, everyone can ping you, which is sometimes not good, but I mean, if someone needs help or something, they can ping you and you exactly know what to do. I'm going to enable it, but you can turn it on or off, same as this one. But this one, I would really recommend you turning this on. Now, you don't really need any permissions because apparently, I mean, you are the owner. You don't have to you don't need to have any permissions. But of course, you can give yourself administrator. But anyone with this role they can do everything with the server except delete it. Only you can delete it. Yeah, basically that's it. So now we can click on this plus thing and we can click on owner. And as you can see now it says owner instead of online. And if we just uncheck this real quick and give ourselves the owner role, as you can see it still says online and our name is just red, but that's it. So we really want to check this because that's just making us stand out from all the other people. So next up we're going to make an admin or a manager role. I'm going to make it manager. I would also do both of these, but on this one it's basically your choice, but just enable this one. And I would give it administrator permissions too because getting manager is like super hard, and I would not recommend you giving any people you don't really know and you don't 100% trust just don't give them one of these roles, because they can basically do everything with the server except this. But they could delete every channel. They could just raid the whole server without getting caught, because it just don't give anyone you don't really trust this role or this, because they have administrator and they can do everything. For example, these members would get access to all private channels. So basically, be careful with giving administrator roles to people. Now, as you can see, if I go on roles, you will see owner is above manager. You can change that. You can drag manager over owner. And as you can see now, it says manager, even though I'm also owner, because manager is over owner on the role page. So this actually matters. So drag the roles which should be above, like owner, manager, and admin, all that. Drag them to the top, and members about lower. So once we've done those, we're gonna make a even newer role. We're gonna call this like admin, or senior mod, all your choice. Make it something purple, and we're gonna not give them administrator, but basically almost all permissions. So view channels, yes. Manage channels, yes. Manage roles, yeah. Like basically do all this. Server insights, webhooks, no. They could basically do everything with the webhook, so we're not going to do that. Manage server also no, but basically every one of those, so moderate members, all that, and yeah, text to speech, and this doesn't matter. I mean, I'm going to enable it, but it really doesn't matter. Manage events, you can turn that on. If you actually want your admin to manage events, you can turn that on. Next up, we're going to make a senior moderator role, senior moderator. Of course, put a dot there if you're like me. I'm going to make it blue, and also check both of those. Now we're going to give them a few less permissions. So view channels, yeah, of course. Manage channels, we're going to uncheck that. Manage roles also. Manage emojis and stickers, yeah, no. View audit log, yes. View server insights, no. Manage webhooks, no. Manage server, no. Manage nicknames, yes. Kick members, yes. Ban members, yes. Moderate members, yes. Manage messages, yes. Manage threads, yes. This doesn't really matter. Priority speaker, yeah. Mute members, deafen members, move members. Manage event, you can turn that on or off. We aren't really going to do any events, so I'm going to keep it on. It doesn't really matter, just in case, turn it on or off. They can't really destroy the server with anything like that. So yeah, we have this important category. Now we can drag it over the text channels category. We're actually going to edit this one. Add a category. We're going to name this like general or something. General. Let's do like this. And then we have this general one. General talking. I don't know. You can make more like off topic. Bot commands. And I don't know, something like memes or media. I'm going to make it media because they can send everything in there. Boom, like this. Now, let's just go server settings, roles, and make some more roles. So next role we're going to make is, of course, junior moderator. So they will have a few less permissions. We're going to make them gray. I'm going to do both of those. So they will be able to view channels. Of course, that's usually on by default, but I turned it off for at everyone. That's why when we create a role, it's off. But you can turn this on every single role except at everyone, because we're going to be adding a verification system. Manage channels, we're going to turn on. We're going to keep that off. Manage roles, no. Manage emojis and stickers, no, 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 no. Manage nicknames, yes. Kick members, yes. Ban members, no. Moderate members, yeah. And manage messages, no. And all those don't really matter. Mute members, I'll do that, but that's it. Then we're gonna make even another role and name this helper. They'll have like a golden one. Also check both of these. Go over to permissions. If you view this. Manage channels. I don't know, did I turn it? Yeah, no. So all of those off. Then manage nicknames, yeah. Kick members, no. Moderate member, no. So basically they have minimum permissions on the Discord server. Let's just save the changes. Now, you can of course give yourself all the roles by doing this, but it takes some time, or I'm going to remove all of my roles. You can just right click, hover over roles, and then click on every of those. It will automatically equip them, and you don't have to click on the roles all over again. Boom, there we go. Now, we're going to make a bot role. Now, the bots don't really have to be that high up. I'm going to still make a bots role. We're going to give the permission administrator, so that we don't have any problems with bots not having the required permissions to send messages in some specific channels. I'm gonna make it some green thing. And yeah, both like this one, but the other ones don't really matter. We're gonna put this between junior and senior moderator probably. Permissions administrator, as we said. Yeah, that's pretty good. They're not going to give us the bot role, of course. So, we're now going to make the member role. So the member role will be, just the default one, basically. Do this, go to permissions, and click view channels. Now that we have done this, we're going to give ourselves the member role. And now we're going to add some bots. First bot we're going to be adding is Carl. So go to carl.gg, click on manage, and then click the server you want to add it to. Click on select a server. I am logged in with the wrong account. Let me just close this real quick so I can log in again. And I'm going to turn it on again so you can see I just logged in with my other account because I was still on my old account. Yeah, just save it and then click continue. Now they want administrator permissions. Don't grant this to any bot, but this is CarlBot. It's a verified bot, and you can be pretty sure that this bot is safe. You can also look it up on YouTube, on Google, whatever. This bot is safe. You can safely give it administrator permissions. Now you can, this is pretty cool. Hi, Radio Guy, let's get Carl added to your server. Now the first thing you'll notice is that CarlBot is actually on the server. You can click on the plus icon, click on bots. Now we'll have double administrator permissions just in case. So we're going to click on get started right here. And you have different options to get prefixes. I want none of these. I want to have it with dot. No, the dot. There we go. So now it's like dot ping, dot ban Carl, blah blah blah, dot rr make. Click next. The welcome messages, we're gonna make a preset. Select a channel. No, we're actually gonna not make one with this bot. We're gonna make it with me6. Click next. Reaction role templates, we're not gonna make them yet. Click next. Mute role, click create one for me. And mod logs, click on moderator only. Click next. And then off custom, you can always change it later. Automod, set it to medium. If your server gets popular and there are a lot of people, click on high, but medium is good for most servers. Click finish, click skip, and go to dashboard, and boom, we're there. Now we're going to set some settings with the automod and the moderation. So go to automod, log actions to moderator only, drama channel. What's this again? I forgot again. Yeah, moderator only. Mute role muted, whitelisted channels, moderator only. I don't really, yeah, no. Whitelisted roles. Yeah, so basically we have a problem now because we need CarlBot role to be all on the top. Now, we can select if we refresh the page. Log actions, moderator only, moderator only. Okay, it still doesn't work for some reason. Alright, yeah, it still doesn't work, but it's fine. Delete scary files, so click save, and success setting applied. Now, the bad words, keep them like that. And the punishments, keep them like that as well. Now, yeah, basically keep all of them like that. Click on moderation, and this is pretty important. Basically, Modlock's channel is a moderator only. Send reports to moderator only, all that like that. Mute settings, go send server action name, reason, and moderator. You're muted. Yeah, make it permanent so we at least know it. Like, we can still unmute. Kick settings, send server action name, reason, and moderator. Save. Then the ban settings, send server action name, reason, and moderator. Click save. Warn settings, save. Hard mute settings, save, like this. Temp ban settings, send server action name, reason, and moderator. Click save. Once that's all applied, we're pretty much done with this. So we can go on bot commands and do /report, moderation, report, and then message on radio, guy is a bad guy. Do it like that. Oh, okay, yeah, no, I mean, set.moderation report, well, I am cool, just like this. And in the moderator only, it should show, but it doesn't. Let me just go back, /moderation report channel, moderator only. Never mind, moderation report channel, #moderator only, and then, I don't really know if it worked, but then moderation report, cool. Okay, it didn't really work, but you can you know, like, do some stuff like that. Now, reaction roles, we can do that in the server. We don't have to do that right now. So the next part we're going to add is Arcane. The reason we're going to add Arcane is because of their very nice leveling system with roles. Select server, just select the server, moaning box, community, moaning mines. Authorize, give them administrator, it's alright. There we go. Arcane. Do not join the server they are inviting you to. Don't join them, it doesn't really matter, it's just a support server. If you need any help with it, you can either write it in the comments or just DM me, or like join that server if it's actually necessary. Now, system messages, turn them off, they are kind of annoying. We don't like welcome message anyway. So we have this rules and moderator only. We're gonna make a create category and name it management. Now right click edit category, permissions. Everyone, of course, everyone does not have permission to view or connect to channels in the server. All channels will be default hidden to members. Use the advanced view to give specific roles or members access to this channel. So you're gonna basically add every single role, like member, view channels, nope. Yeah, but well, basically only add the roles that you want them to see this channel. So view channels, yes, manager and owner. Admin does not have to see the management category. Then put the moderator only under there. Moderator only. And I would recommend you renaming this to modlocks. Next thing we're gonna do is add a verify, if you can spell, a hashtag of verify. If you haven't done it yet, make sure that members have the view channels permission. So let's go right here and do edit channel permissions, and then add basically everyone to view this channel but not send messages. So member, then helper, yes, no. Junior moderator, yes, no. Senior moderator, yes, no. And admin, we're gonna give him the permissions. But yeah, and the other ones have admin, so that's fine. Important, we have added category permissions. We're gonna make this for the whole permission for this whole thing. Actually, no, we're not gonna make permissions for this category, but making permissions for categories is very, very like easy to make. Click edit category permissions, and basically make it so that we're gonna make a staff role just like for a placeholder. Staff. Like stuff, make it pretty low, and go to management. No, go to like, yeah. Well, we don't need to edit management, but yeah. Anyway, I'm talking about shit right now. And this video is already 20 minutes long. Anyway, we want this Arcane bot to work, so we're gonna do /dashboard, and then click on this thing here. Click yep. Language, of course. Now we want to disable everything except for the leveling system. Click configure. Now go back to Discord, go to the server settings, roles, and you're going to basically make a few leveling roles. So the level 1 role is going to be peasant. It's going to be below members. Actually no, it's going to be above members, but below helpers and all that. So it's going to be peasant, and it's going to have like different colors. So this one has the first color. They don't get any permissions, we're just making them as roles. Then this one is even better, it's the Chad role. This one's going to be there for level 5 or more. This one's going to be there for level 10, so this is going to be Giga Chad. Level 25 is going to be Gamer. Level 50, I don't even know if anyone will do this, but level 50 is going to be like Addicted. And level 100 is Hacker or something. Boom, like this. So now I'll go back to the Arcane dashboard. Level up message, user mention has leveled, has reached level blah blah blah. You can choose a channel where to get it in. We're just gonna make that leveling channel actually. Leveling, create channel. Now important, gonna add the category so that, like, you know, members send messages, peasant no. I mean, peasant doesn't even have the view channel permission, so it doesn't really even really matter, because those don't have the view channel permission. Now we're gonna go and get all this like helper, yes, no. Junior moderator, yeah, no. Senior moderator, yes, no. Admin, yes, yes. So admins are allowed to type in here. Next, we're gonna go on the verifying thing. We're gonna click here on edit channel permissions. We're gonna go here and let them view this channel, but not being able to send messages. Then members and stuff won't be able to see this. So they, only the everyone roles will have permission to see this. Because this is a verification channel. Now on this one, I guess permissions are justified. I'm gonna go back to here. I'm gonna choose, yeah, probably levels aren't there, so we're gonna refresh the page. Go here and go to leveling. Boom. Now go to role rewards. So level 1, gonna make the peasant. 5 is gonna be Chad. 10 is gonna be Giga Chad. 25 is gonna be Gamer. 50 is gonna be Addicted. And 100 is gonna be Hacker. Just like this. Don't have to save anything, it will save automatically. Now what we're just gonna do is give Arcane roles. Click any role. Put Arcane all the way to the top. Boom. So we've done the basic things here. We're just gonna get like some welcome channel, greetings. Click create channel, and we're just gonna make this me6 thing now. So go to me6.xyz. By the way, all the links for these bots will be in the description. Don't worry. Go to me6.xyz. Click on the server you wanna do this, and click on setup, or just click the icon. Click continue on the pop-up, and click authorize. Click I'm a human. Do a captcha if you need to, and then you will get redirected to the dashboard and me6. Ooh. Me6 is here. It's magic. No, it's actually not magic. It's actually a very cool feature called bots. So basically put me6 to the top somewhere over all the other roles basically. They won't be able to like do anything with you because you're the server owner, so yeah, don't worry. So we're gonna go on this levels. We're gonna disable this. Yes. Gonna go on moderator. Now moderator and stuff is all disabled. So we're gonna disable every plugin except the welcome thing. So embeds, just delete everything like here. Record, help, and statistic channels. Boom. Just basically have welcome. That's the only thing. So now we have send a message when a user joins the server. Enable this. Then select a channel where to post it on. I'm gonna use the welcome channel. Okay, I just made it, so I have to refresh the page, I'm pretty sure. Now I'm gonna go welcome, enable this, set it to greetings. Yeah, there we go. You can just do this. Hey user, thanks for joining, and then the server name. Send a welcome card, click save. Now give a role to new users. Do not enable this. Many people tell you to enable this so that it automatically gives a member. No, we're going to do it a bit differently. More to that later. Now send a message when a user leaves the server. Basically going to do the same thing. Just left the server for no reason at all. Something. And put it to greetings as well. Greetings. There we go. Click save. Now every time someone joins a server, will be posted in this greetings channel, and every time someone leaves the server, it will be posted in here as well. The leveling will be in here. Basically Arcane manages that, because me6 is not going to be managing anything except the welcome messages. We don't need me6 for like leveling and stuff. Arcane is better for that, in my opinion. So now we're gonna get dankmeme. So go to dankmeme.lol, link in the description, click invite now. Then you need to authorize, click select server, and get the server you want to create. Now as you can see, they don't even need administrator for this. Still give them the bot role which has administrator. We are still going to do it so that we won't have any problems with doing this. Now as you can see, it actually says, hey dankmeme, welcome to Moaning Minds community. This welcome thing didn't really work, but yeah. Subnerds, my name is dankmeme. To get started, send please help. All commands are ran this way. For example, please meme. If you're interested in auto-posting memes, extra currency perks and exclusive items and more, all this things. Delete the message, we don't need it. Give dankmeme the bots role, and then we're going to make a new category. named Fun. And in Fun, you will be able to make different channels like Dank Meme, which is pretty cool. This is basically just like you type in like please meme and we'll show a meme, next meme, or just end interaction. All that. That is actually kind of funny. No, I'm just gonna delete the message. So you can also do like please bell and all that. There's like this balance system. 0. Oh, please that. Forgot. Yeah, basically, you can basically do all of this in the Dank Memer thing then. And we're also gonna make another channel called Accounting. Click Create Channel. And in here we will add a counting bot for that. Yeah. So next bot we're gonna add Dank Memo. You don't have really you don't really have to configure anything. The next bot we're gonna add is, as I just said, no, we're actually gonna add Capture Captcha.bot. Click Secure Your Server. You may have to close an ad. Click, select the server. Click I'm a human. Do the captcha if necessary. And then it will invite you to, of course, a server. We're not going to do that. Also, why am I pinged? Oh, I'm pinged right here. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. Alright, that's kind of cool. So we're just gonna go back on our server right here. Oh yeah, I'll leave a lot of servers. Greetings, hey CaptureBot, welcome to Moaning Minds community. We're just going to give this one the bots role. Now we're going to go on verify. No, we're going to go on bot commands. And we're actually going to do slash. And then click on the CaptureBot logo and you can basically see anything. Now do slash checklist to see what you have to do. I'm not going to really point it out in this video. So you set a verified channel by running config verification channel. So do slash config verification channel set. And then set it to verify. Click enter and set the verification channel to #verify. Then click set a verified role by running /config roles add. So do /config roles add and then add the member role. So as you can see, the bot can't configure the member role, or I'm just dumb. Still gonna put all the bots to the top like always. Now we're gonna go back here, do /config roles add and then do member. Then we're gonna do this role should have the view channels permission, and everyone should not have the view channels permission. That's what we disabled at the beginning. And then you can add the verified role to all existing members by running /verify all. And if you want users to push a button to receive a captcha, then run /config panel setup in the channel where you want the button. So go to verify and then config panel setup to gain access to the rest of the server. Please complete the captcha down below. Now we'll actually send them to a website. So basically click verify and you are already verified, so it will check if you have this member role. If I delete it, verify, please verify yourself to gain access to Moaning Minds community. Click this link. Yeah, you will have to log in. Now this is kinda sketchy, of course, but it's completely safe, so you actually don't enter anything bad in there. Like, you have to enter your data, but nothing else, of course. This sounds so weird. Yeah, basically I'm gonna dismiss that message. And I'm also gonna make rules accessible by everyone. And yeah, so that they can see as soon as they join. Now I'm gonna just go on Discord Canary. I'm gonna get a permanent invite link from the server. Generate a new link. And I'm gonna test how this works. If we're here, we can see the rules and the verify. We can't see anything else, and we can see who's online and all that. But yeah, we're just gonna go click verify, and it will get us to this page. So you see, it works kind of good. Only verify on capture.bot. Yeah. So you can give myself the member role and we will already be verified then. Member right there. And then as you can see, they will also not be able, if I open Discord again, my alt account, as you can see, they will not be able to view #verify anymore. That was just because I was there before. But as you can see, they will be able to see leveling, rules, all that, but not verify. That's important. So, anyway, we kind of set up the server already. We're just going to make a staff section, category. Staff, click private category, click next, and then add basically the staff role. Click create category. Now we're going to click this, click edit category permissions, and as you can see, staff can view the channel. That is really cool. So now we're going to be going on this plus icon. We're going to be making a staff announcement. Staff announcements channel in here. We're going to be setting the permissions to that staff. Sync permissions. Very important. Sync permissions. I don't know, synchronize. And then view channel, yeah, but send messages, no. Because this is not what we want. Oh, Bacon Networks. Cool. Alright, anyway, staff announcements is in here. Now we're going to do staff general. Create channel. And make sure to sync the permissions if it's not already. It should be default after you set it once. Staff general, staff commands. You can basically set everything in this thing now, which only is accessible if you have the staff role. So, you can basically add everything like, yeah. Now we're going to click on important, click on the plus, and type in staff applications. We're going to be making staff applications. Now, I'm not going to tell you, I'm only going to tell you how I would make staff applications, but I'm not going to show you how. A video explaining how to make one with Google Forms is going to be in the description. I'm going to do it off camera because this video will be long enough anyway, so yeah. Anyways, once we've done this, we can go on management, click create channel, and click in-game chat. Click create channel. Now make sure that permissions like management should be synced. Edit category so that only owner but a member like can't. Members can't view this channel. Private category, we're enabling private. So member won't, but only manager and owner. So now we're gonna go onto mod logs, click permissions, click sync. Now that should work out, and in-game chat permissions is synced already. So now, I think now we are almost ready. If we go on our plugins, we're gonna go on Essentials Discord, config.yml. Now the token, this is gonna be a bot token. I'm gonna real quick show you how to make a bot real quick. So go to discord.com/developers/applications. Link, of course, in the description down below. We're going to go on a new application, and now we're going to do in-game server, which is basically just a simple server. Click create, then go to bot, click add bot, and click yes, do it. Now I'm going to hide this, but click on reset token. I'm going to hide this real quick. Click on reset token, yes, do it, and then click on copy. Then go back to Minehut and paste the token into this, which I'm not going to show you, because of course you could basically do anything if you have my bot token, so I'm going to hide it. I want to make this an actual server. So then the Discord URL, I just made this cool invite link, so go invite people, copy the link, go back here, and then invite code right here, and delete this E at the end. Now Discord max length, well, that doesn't really matter. Now channels primary stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna reset this token anyway, so it doesn't really matter that I hit it. I'm gonna reset the token and then put it in there again. Now guild is gonna be copy ID, the ID of your server, as you can see right there. Now define text channels. Channels can be defined here. So channels, primary is going to be the in-game chat. So copy the ID of that one and paste it in here. Second one, a credit card number. That's not my credit card number, but sure. Click copy ID and paste it in here. I don't want that. Anyway, now you can also make a console. Now the console will actually work. As you can see, let me sync permissions if it isn't. Alright, now copy the ID and paste it into stuff thing. Now, once that's done, you can basically, let me just not show my recording this time, click reset token. I'm going to copy the token and I'm going to replace it inside of the token thing. Paste, save it, and I'm just going to exit out of this, exit out of the Discord thing. Actually, we have to go on the Discord thing once more, so don't exit out of the Discord thing. If you did, just reopen it once again. Click on the bot, basically, so what's this? Click on the bot, basically server. I'm not sure if this is the right one. Bot. Go to OAuth to URL a generator. Wait, so let me reset this. So go to OAuth 2 and URL